Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1978 MG Midget 1500, finished in bright red. Car is in absolutely outstanding condition. It appears to have been quite extensively restored in the past, so much so that there's still body colour in the wheel arches. I've been around the car pretty thoroughly and I can't find any marks or blemishes anywhere. It really is in outstanding condition. So let's give you a quick walk round. Paint is nice and bright and glossy, and certainly the finish is good and even. Colour really suits the car, as do these period midnight style alloy wheels. As you can hear, it ticks over quite happily. It's an easy starter, hot or cold. Really nice to drive. If you've ever driven a Midget, you'll appreciate the go-kart like handling. Just have a look at the interior. So appears to have been uprated with leather seats, although they are in a very similar style to the original, with these horizontal lines. Dashboard's nice and tidy, carpets are good, car's showing 75,000 miles. There's a fair bit of history with the car as well. Let's have a quick look in the boot. It looks like we've got a tonneau cover, a short hood cover. I'm assuming that's jack in the bag there and a spare wheel. Just pop the bonnet too. Nice and clean and tidy under here. Obviously the restoration was pretty extensive. Bulkheads all nice and clean and tidy. Can end up looking a bit scruffy on these, but the example is all good. So there you have it. 1978 MG Midget 1500 in really tidy condition. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.